For years, the 5.0-liter V8, widely known as the Coyote, has stood as one of the most iconic engines ever built by Ford. Powering vehicles like the Mustang, F-150, and other performance-focused models, it has earned a reputation for strong output, high revving capability, and long-term durability. But like any modern engine designed to balance performance, emissions, and efficiency, the 5.0 hasn't been without its flaws. Over time, owners have reported several recurring concerns, including oil consumption, ticking noises, and odd behavior during cold starts. Now, it appears that Ford has quietly rolled out a series of improvements that address many of these issues. These updates could significantly boost owner confidence, improve longevity, and enhance the overall ownership experience. Let's take a closer look at what's changed, why it matters, and why this is good news for 5.0 V8 owners. Before diving into the updates, it's worth understanding why this engine matters so much. The modern Coyote V8 debuted in 2011 as a completely redesigned engine, replacing the older modular V8. Right from the start, it stood out with its ability to rev beyond 7,000 RPM, impressive horsepower figures, lightweight aluminum construction, and advanced variable valve timing. Over the years, it evolved through multiple generations, Gen 1, 2011-2014. A strong foundation, though not without early quirks. Gen 2, 2015-2017, improved airflow and efficiency. Gen 3, 2018-2023, added direct injection for increased power. Gen 4, 2024+, focused on refinement and durability. Despite these improvements, some issues, especially in Gen 3, remained a concern for owners. Common problems that frustrated owners, even with its strong reputation, several complaints became common across forums and long-term ownership reports. Oil consumption. One of the most widely discussed issues was higher than expected oil usage. Some owners reported needing frequent top-offs, raising concerns about long-term wear. Ticking noise. The so-called Coyote tick became another talking point. This ticking or tapping sound, often heard at idle, was usually harmless, but unsettling. It was inconsistent and not clearly explained at first, which added to the concern. Cold start knock. In colder conditions, some drivers noticed a brief knocking sound during startup. This was often linked to piston clearances, oil flow timing, or combustion behavior before the engine fully warmed up. Direct injection side effects. With the introduction of direct injection in Gen 3, carbon buildup on intake valves became a potential issue, something seen across many modern engines. What Ford changed? Rather than introducing a single fix, Ford addressed these concerns through a combination of hardware refinements, software updates, and internal adjustments, improved piston and ring design. A major upgrade comes from revised piston rings. These changes improve sealing, reduce blow-by, and help control oil consumption more effectively. Updated coatings also reduce wear over time. Refined engine calibration. Software updates play a big role. Adjustments to fuel delivery, ignition timing, and idle behavior help smooth out cold starts and reduce perceived ticking. Enhanced oil control system. Updates to oil passages and the crankcase ventilation system improve lubrication, especially during startup, helping reduce consumption and improve consistency. Optimized dual injection system. The balance between port and direct injection has been fine-tuned. Port injection helps keep intake valves cleaner, while improved fuel delivery leads to more consistent combustion. Why these updates matter? While the changes may sound technical, their real-world impact is significant. Greater peace of mind. Owners can worry less about oil levels, strange noises, or long-term reliability. Improved durability. Better oil control and reduced internal wear contribute to a longer-lasting engine. Smoother driving experience. Cold starts are quieter, idle is more refined, and overall performance feels more consistent. Lower ownership costs. Less oil consumption and reduced wear can mean fewer maintenance concerns and better resale value. What experts are saying. Industry professionals see these updates as part of a broader shift in engine development. Modern V8s face increasing pressure to meet emissions standards while still delivering performance. Instead of major redesigns, manufacturers are now relying more on software tuning and material improvements to solve issues. In this case, the approach appears to be working, refining the engine without changing its core character. How it stacks up against competitors. These improvements come at a time when V8 engines face strong competition. Compared to GM's pushrod V8s, the Coyote offers higher rev capability and more advanced technology. While GM engines are often praised for simplicity, these updates help close the gap in perceived reliability. Against Ram's Hemi V8, the Coyote remains more technologically complex, but now benefits from improved durability and refinement. What this means going forward. This isn't just about fixing past issues. It signals where Ford is heading. Despite the industry's move toward electrification, the V8 still plays a key role in trucks and performance vehicles. The Coyote is expected to continue evolving, possibly incorporating hybrid technology while maintaining its performance identity. What this means going forward. This isn't just about fixing past issues. It signals where Ford is heading. Despite the industry's move toward electrification, the V8 still plays a key role in trucks and performance vehicles. The Coyote is expected to continue evolving, possibly incorporating hybrid technology while maintaining its performance identity. Are these fixes available now? Yes. These updates are already being implemented in newer models, including recent Mustangs and F-150s. In some cases, they may also be available through dealership updates or revised replacement parts. Checking with a dealer is the best way to know what applies to a specific vehicle. The bigger picture. The 5.0 Coyote V8 has always been a standout engine, but even great designs need refinement. These updates show a clear effort to respond to owner feedback and improve real-world reliability without sacrificing performance. It's not a complete redesign, but a thoughtful evolution. Final thoughts. For years, the 5.0 V8 has delivered power, character, and excitement. Now, with these improvements, it's becoming even more refined and dependable. For current owners, it brings reassurance. For potential buyers, it offers confidence. And for enthusiasts, it's proof that the V8 still has a future. The Coyote isn't fading away, it's getting better with time.